Let's start. So first of all, close your eyes. And divert all the attention inside the body. On the breath. And for next few moments, keep your awareness on the breathing. Using your breath, relax the body. Relax the mind. Maintain a soft smile on your face. And commit to yourself that this smile on my face will remain throughout the day today. Now we'll do the Om chanting. Inhale. Om. 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 Sahana bhavatu. Sahana bhunaktu. Saviryam karvavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very good, sir. Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start the class. So settle down. Straight posture with your legs relaxed. Chin parallel to the floor. Hands in chin mudra on the knees. Couple of deep breaths. So starting with the exhalation part of the breath, release all the air out of your lungs. And then as you inhale, stretch up the spine right from the tailbone. Maintain the stretch. Exhale. Inhale, expand the lungs. Exhale. Once again, deeply inhale. Exhale completely. Now first round of Kapalbhati. Inhale deeply and begin. Hantu, 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 hantu. Hantu, 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 hantu. Hantu, 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 Pantu, 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 pantu. Exhale. Inhale, back straight. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time, deeply. Inhale. Exhale completely. Now for the retention. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath for next 40 seconds. Keep the mind focused on your third eye. Very nice. 40 seconds passed. Exhale. Inhale. Fill your lungs. Exhale. Deeply. Inhale. Exhale. Once again. Fully. Inhale. Exhale completely. Now for Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Left hand in Shin Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Check your posture. And then once again, exhale completely. Through both the nostrils, deeply. Inhale. Exhale. All the air out of your lungs. Now block the right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale left. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold the breath. Make sure right shoulder is relaxed. Right exhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Deeply inhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. Left exhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. Right exhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Fully inhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. Left exhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold your breath. Right exhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Block the nostrils gently. Left exhale, 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale, 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and hold. Right exhale, 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Deeply inhale, 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and hold. Last retention. Left exhale, 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Gently drop your right hand on the right knee. Both hands in Chin Mudra once again. Maintain the stillness in your body and mind for some time. Keep the awareness within. Now softly open your eyes, stretch the legs, and then stand up. Position yourself for Surya Namaskar. So come on to the top of your mat. Take 2 deep breaths. And get ready. First round, right side. Inhale, exhale, hands into prayer posture. Inhale, lift your arms up straight and then push the hips forward and arch your back. Exhale, move forward and down. Keep the knees soft. Now inhale, stretch your right leg back, right knee on the mat, open your chest. Take the other leg back, push up posture, body in one straight line, head to heels. Gently drop the knees down, chest between the hands and your chin on the mat. Now slide forward, hips down, chest up, look up. Curl your toes in, lift the hips, move to mountain pose, head down. Now bring your right leg forward in one big step. Reach between the hands. Drop the left knee. Other leg forward, feet together. Stretch your arms forward as you inhale. Come up and arch the back. Once again, relax. Left side, inhale, exhale, hands into prayer. Inhale 2, stretch your arms up and arch. Exhale 3, go forward and down. Forehead towards the knees. Inhale 4, stretch your left leg back. Left knee on the mat, chin up. Retain the breath, take the other leg back. High plank posture. Now drop your knees down, chest down, forehead or chin down. Slide forward, head up, chest up. Hips up and heels down, mountain pose or inverted V. Now bring your left leg forward, arch the back once again, chin up. Other leg forward, join your feet, pull the forehead towards the knees. Stretch your arms forward, lengthen your arms, start moving up and arch. Exhale, relax. Very nice. Second round. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale 2. Exhale 3. Inhale right. Retain left. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, stretch up and arch your back. Exhale, relax. Left side. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale 2. Exhale 3. Inhale left. Retain right. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, stretch forward and up, arch the back. Exhale, release. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale 2. Exhale 3. Inhale right. Retain 5. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale right. Exhale 10. Inhale 11. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale 2. Exhale 3. Inhale left. Retain right. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale, hips up. Inhale, left forward. Exhale, right. Inhale, stretch up and arch the back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot forward. 10, 11. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot forward. 10, 11. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg forward. Left. Stretch up, arch the back. Relax. Last set. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot forward. 10, 11. And relax. Legs apart and eyes closed. Arms relaxed. Om. Open your eyes, legs together. Stretch your arms forward. Stand on your toes, raise the heels up. Find the balance, maintain the balance. Move down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Drop your hips down. Lie down in Shavasana. Roll your head side to side. Back to the center. Take few deep breaths. Om. Legs together, feet together. Inhale, stretch your arms over the head, interlock the fingers. Now stretch your whole body nicely, tightly, and relax. Okay. We are going to do circles. So make sure you have space on the right and left, both sides of your mat. Adjust yourself accordingly. Get ready. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Start making the circle 10 rotations clockwise. Count yourself. Leg will remain straight. Make sure आप knee को bend नहीं कर रहे हैं. Feel the rotation in your right hip. 10 clockwise, 10 anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Awareness on the right hip. When you are done, come back to the center and give support to your leg. Interlock the fingers behind the right thigh. Toes in towards the face. Now inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Close the eyes and breathe deeply. Push the other knee close to the mat. Exhale, drop your head down. Now we'll do one more hip opening. Hold your right big toe with the right hand. Take it towards right side. Stretch the other arm in line with the shoulders. Look towards left. एक पॉइंट का ध्यान रखना है. Your left hip will raise up, so you have to bring it close to the mat again. Right leg may be in the air, but left hip mat पर. Few breaths, deep breaths. Two more deep breaths. Inhale, come back to the center, change the hand. Now take your leg towards left side, going into the twist. Legs still remain straight. Right arm out, look towards right. Deep breath. Both legs straight. कोशिश करो straight रखने की. Inhale up to the center. Bend your knee to your chest. Hug your leg. Exhale, head up, chest up. Relax your head. Lift your right leg up and bring it down. Entire process repeat on the left side. Position yourself. Raise your left leg up and start doing circles 10 and 10. Full circle करेंगे. So fully bringing the leg down and then fully going up. Inhale while moving up, exhale while coming down. Awareness on the left hip. When you are done, come up and support your leg. Now get ready for the posture. Exhale completely, head up, chest up. Breathe fully. Give full expansion and relaxation to your lungs. Drop your head down, chest down. Hip opening, hold the left big toe with the left hand. Take your leg towards left side. And turn the head towards right. Now right hip will remain on the mat. Yes, because if you lift your right hip, जो hip का opening है वो lose हो जाएगा. Two more deep breaths. Come back up to the center. Change the hand and take your leg towards right side. Twisting. Both legs are straight. Look opposite. Notice the stretch in your left hip. Outer side of the left hip. Inhale, come up. Bend the knee, hug your leg. Ardha Pavan Muktasana. Exhale, head up, chest up. Drop the head down. Left leg up and bring it down. Very nice. Shake your legs, roll the head if you need to. Double leg raises with little variation. Position yourself. If you want to support the back, then slide the arms under the body. Ready. Legs together. Inhale, lift both the legs up. Legs apart. Now in this position, bring them down without touching the mat. And then join the legs. Come up again. Legs apart. Move down. And join. Up. Apart. Down. Together. Up. Apart. Down. Together. Fourth round up. Apart. Down. Together and up. Apart. Down. Together and up. Apart. Down. Together and up. Now counterclockwise. So bring your legs down. Joined legs, come down. Separate your legs without touching the mat. Just separate the legs. Come up in the apart position. Join the legs and then move down. Apart. Up. Together. Down. Apart. Separate the legs. Up. Together. Yes. Come down. Third round. Legs apart. Together. Come up. Join. Down. Apart. Up. Together. Two more rounds. Down. Legs apart. Up. Together. Last round. Down. Apart. Up. Together, bend your knees to your chest. And now drop both the knees towards right side. Stretch the arms out like your wings. Look towards left. Few seconds stay. Breathe. In the center, take your knees towards left. Only to relax your back. Up to the center. Release, straighten your legs. Relax for 2 breaths. शवासन में आइए. And mentally prepare yourself for headstand. Visualize yourself into headstand. Om, legs together. Inhale, stretch your whole body. Exhale, relax. Sit up. Go for child pose. Make it a relaxing posture in which you are able to breathe easily. Shoulders relaxed. Om. Inhale, head up, chest up. Go for the posture, Shirshasana. If you are still learning Shirshasana, then you can start with the dolphin exercise. Whenever you are doing dolphin, थोड़ा slow movement करो. Time for headstand starts. Now those who are in headstand, they can separate your legs wide apart. Wall का support लेके रखो, नहीं तो posture टूट जाएगा. Very nice. Keep on separating. Best pelvic floor stretch मिलता है इस posture में. So keep on widening your legs. Stay. Legs more apart. Loosen up your leg muscles. Let the nature, gravity work on your legs. Yes. Now legs together. Make a butterfly pose with your feet. Joining the soles of the feet. Wonderful. Very nice. Now start twisting towards right side. देखो कितनी दूर जा सकेंगे. Keep on twisting. Right की तरफ twist करो. Trunk को, hips को right की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. Come back to the center. Yes, dimple. इसी तरह से twist towards left. Hips को left की तरफ लेके जाइए. शाबाश. And inhale back to the center. Straighten your legs. Very nice. Take 2 breaths. And now slowly and gently come down. Out of headstand. everyone. Now rest in child pose. Relax. Good attempt by everyone. Inhale, head up, chest up. Shavasana. Prepare for Sarvang Asana. पहले 2 breaths लेंगे in Shavasana. Roll your head side to side. Now it is mandatory, it is necessary. You have done full inversion and once again you are going to do full inversion. Now arms beside your body and legs together. Shoulders stand. Elbows are touching your ribs and chin is touching your chest. Ready. Inhale, both legs up, hips up. Now push the back with your hands, support the back. And bring your legs up in shoulder stand. Wonderful. Now hold the pose and breathe. Few seconds in complete silence. Oh. Variation. Inhale, exhale करते bring your right leg down over and behind the head. And just stay there in this pose. Hold the posture. The toes of your left foot point to the ceiling. Toes of the right foot point to the floor or touch the floor. And make sure you are supporting your back. Do not release the support. Stay. Legs apart. Inhale, bring your right leg up. Point the right foot toes to the ceiling. Bring your left leg down as you exhale and stay. Legs apart. One is pointing to the sky, other is pointing to the ground. One more breath in this pose. Inhale, both legs up. Now separate your legs wide apart as you did with headstand. And then bring your legs down in Halasana with legs apart. Once the toes are on the floor, then release the support. And now take your hands towards your ankles. Hold the ankles or your feet wherever you can. अब यूज कीजिए हैंड्स का एंड और वाइड करो लेग्स. मोर अपार्ट. यस. डू नॉट टर्न योर हेड व्हेन यू आर इन दिस पोस्चर. कीप द हेड इन द सेंटर. Very nice. Release the hands. Bring your legs together. Hands behind the back. Support your back. Legs together. And now slowly roll out of Sarvang Asana. Using the hands and arms as brakes, come out. Slowly, gently, vertebra by vertebra. Yes, Dimple, very good. Very nice. और थोड़ा सा पेट टाइट करो. Yes, very good. And now relax. Roll your head side to side. 3 to 4 deep breaths. Now we'll go for the counter pose, Matsyasana or fish. Slide your arms under the body. Hide your elbows. Legs together and straight. Chaliye. Now get ready. Inhale, head up and chest up. Sit on your elbows. Look at your toes. Stay here. Start arching your back and slowly, gently touch the top of your head to your mat. Gently dropping the crown on the mat. Breathe. Chest is fully open. Make the full use of it. Deep, long inhalation. Make your breath even more deeper and longer. Om. Moving out of the pose, inhale, head up, chest up. Look at the toes once again. And now release. Relax. Take your arms out. Shake your arms and do the wrist rotation. Roll your head. And now rest in Shavasana. Relax. Legs together, feet together. Inhale, stretch your arms, stretch your spine, stretch the legs. Exhale, relax. Sit up for the seated forward bend. We'll do the posture in half lotus position. Right leg straight, bend the left knee, put the left ankle on your right thigh. Lelia, half lotus, very good. Now make your back straight and lift both the arms up. Look up, lift the chin. One deep breath. As you exhale, slowly start moving forward and down towards your right foot. Dimple, half lotus lenge kya? Is it comfortable to you? Left ankle on the right thigh? Yes. Go into the forward bend. And now start relaxing the upper body. Relax the breath. Now feel chin is not tucked into your chest. Do not engage your chin, your neck. Relax those parts. Close your eyes. Shoulders relaxed. Relax your head. Nice. Let's move up. Stretch your arms forward and inhale. Come up. Hands behind the back. Now counter stretch lenge with one leg. So get ready. Drop the head back. Right leg is straight. Inhale. Lift your hips. Very nice. Try to lift the hips higher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and drop. Wonderful. Change. Right knee bent, left leg straight. Half lotus with the right foot. Back straight. Chest open. Both arms up. Chin up. Exhale forward towards your left foot or left ankle, wherever you can reach. Notice the difference between both sides. And breathe deeply. Eyes closed. With every exhalation, relax your trunk, shoulders, and head. Breathe. Get ready to move up. Stretch your arms forward, arms up. Behind the back, your hands now. Counter stretching on the other leg. So push the hands down, lift the hips. Only 10 seconds. Stay up. Very good. Higher. 5, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Wonderful. Now come in Makarasana for the backward bends. Arms beside the body. Roll your head to one side. Arms are beside the body. Now relax the shoulders, legs apart. Breathe. Ramya, roll your head to one side. Yes, this is a relaxing pose. Om, forehead in the center. First pose will be Sarpasana. So hands beside the body, take them behind the back and interlock your fingers. Forehead in the center. Legs together. Join the legs. Knees joined, feet joined. Ready. Focusing on the lower back muscles. Using them. Inhale, head up, chest up. आपका awareness lower back पे रखते हुए raise your chest up and stay. Hands off the hips. Hands को थोड़ा lift करो. Very nice. Chest higher. Yes, Gayatri, chin up. Exhale, relax. Release your hands. Roll the head to other side. And relax. In crocodile. Inhale, back to the center. Now bend your knees and hold your ankles. Dhanurasana. Classic Dhanurasana, knees apart. When you feel ready, inhale, head up, chest up, knees up, and thighs up. Try looking up. Very nice, everyone doing very good. Breathe. Lift the feet higher using your hands. Exhale, relax. Separate your legs and bring your hands under the shoulders, going into full cobra. Position लीजिए पहले. Legs apart. Ready. Inhale, head up, chest up. Straighten your elbows. Upward facing dog and stay. Arms are straight, elbows are straight. Chin up. Notice the arching. Lower belly stretch. Wonderful. Now gently lift your hips, come into cat. Keep the knees there. Bring your hands back. Cat में आइए. Okay. Now look forward. Stretch your right leg back. Back. पहले back. And then lift it up. Straight करो leg को. Straight. Leg straight. हाँ. Now bring your foot forward between the hands. Surya Namaskar position number 4. Adjust the distance between the legs. Check out your position. सूर्य नमस्कार की पोजीशन कैसी होती है, उस तरह से लीजिए. राइट लेफ्ट थाई में स्ट्रेचिंग आएगी. नाउ बोथ हैंड्स ऑन द राइट नी. Once again, arms and hands behind the back. Interlock your fingers. And now start arching. आर्च करने में लोअर बॉडी फॉरवर्ड जाएगा और अपर बॉडी बैकवर्ड जाएगा. Very good. Stay and breathe. So breath is challenging here. Hold as long as you can. Keep on arching. Push the hips forward. बहुत बढ़िया देवव्रती. Very good. Exhale. Release the posture. Stay. हाथ वहीं रखेंगे. Now leg splitting में जाएंगे. So start sliding your right leg forward. You can look at the camera. Dimple is doing that. Walk with the right foot forward. Yes. Keep on stretching. शाबाश. Go as far as you can. Very nice शिल्पी. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप. सामने देखेंगे. Hold the pose. Breathe. Breathe. एक और एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप. थोड़ा सा और स्ट्रेचिंग. 5 more seconds. Exhale. Bring the foot back. Now go back to the cat posture. Okay. Cat से हमें child pose में जाना है. वो कैसे जाएंगे? Just look at the screen. You are into cat. Stretch your right leg out. Foot की position इस तरह से होगी. Put it down. And then you stretch back to child pose. Relax. Breathe. Right leg is stretched out. So you are constantly working on the right leg this time. 2 to 3 more deep breaths. Nice. Come back to the cat posture. Left side now. Cat में आइए. Straighten your left leg back. पहले straight करो and then lift it up higher, as high as you can, and then bring it forward. We'll be repeating all the postures. Right thigh को stretching दो पहले. Yes. Both hands on the left knee. Arms behind the back. Interlock your fingers. Wait. 1 minute में spotlight कर. Arch your back. Hips forward and chest back. Head dropped back. One more breath. Exhale, release. Now leg splitting. Hands on the mat. Start walking your left foot forward. पहले walk करेंगे and then lift the toe, slide the heel forward. Nice. Look forward and hold the posture. Breathing कीजिए. हाँ रम्या, लेफ्ट लेग स्ट्रेट करो, लेफ्ट नी डाउन करेंगे फिर जाएगा. Yes, like that. Stay. Breathe. If you want, you can close your eyes. One more step forward. 1 inch और. शाबाश. थोड़ा सा. Now start going back. Cat में जाइए पहले. अब left leg out. Out stretch. sideways and then drop back to child pose. Relax. Deep breath. Inhale, head up, chest up, cat में जाइए. From cat to inverted V. Now walk your hands back, reach towards your feet. Feet are apart. ठीक है? Twisting करेंगे यहाँ पे. Hold the right ankle with your left hand. Lift your right arm up. Open the chest towards right side. Breathe fully. Extend your right arm up. Yes. Exhale down. Side change. Twisting towards left. And keep on extending your left arm now. Ceiling को touch करना है आपने. कितना stretch करोगे? Keep breathing. Exhale, come down. Let's move up. So stretch your arms forward and come up. Arch your back. सूर्य नमस्कार में करते हो ना आप? Up and arch. Arch the back. Exhale, relax. Release. Final stretch. Stay wherever you are. Just put the feet on the edges of the mat. Right foot on the right edge, left foot on the left edge. Right arm beside your right side. Lift your left arm up. Side stretching करेंगे. And now start leaning onto your right side. Take the support of your right leg and hold the pose. Both legs straight. Breathe. Balloon breath, belly breath. Inhale up. Change. Lift your right arm. And then lean onto the left side slowly and gently. Breathe. ऊपर वाला arm is close to the ear. ट्रायंगल करते हो ना आप, वैसा posture है ये. बस legs का distance कम है. Inhale up and relax. Bring your legs closer. And from there, move down, lie down in Shavasana. Final relaxation. Legs wide apart, arms are apart. Comfortable distance maintain करिए between the legs, between your arms. Drop the shoulders completely into the mat. Relax your back. Relax the face. And relax your head. Relax. Om. Bring the awareness back to the body once again. Feel your legs, arms and hands. Now join your legs. Stretch your arms. Lengthen your arms. Lengthen your whole body. And relax. Turn towards right side. And sit up. Eyes closed. Now stay in gratitude for a few moments. Smile kariye. Bring a smile, soft smile, gentle smile to your face. And then send the love and gratitude to the universe, to everyone on this planet. Now we'll conclude the class. Inhale. Om. 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 Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Salutations to the masters. Om Bolo Swami Sivanand Maharaj ki Jai. Swami Vishnu Devanand Maharaj ki Jai. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya.